I recently had to take some antibiotics to prevent infection when I had some wisdom teeth removed. Even though I do not take medicine and I did not want to take them, I did it anyways just to be safe. My body definitely noticed it was taking something foreign into it, and so I wanted to nourish myself back into balance with these nourishing meals I'm about to show you. First, we're going to be making together a nourishing bowl of oats with turmeric and ginger and some black pepper. I use the black pepper to help to activate the curcumin that's in the turmeric, some maple syrup, a little bit of pink salt. Look at my beautiful bowl, so vintage. Yeah, so oats are wonderful. Especially old-fashioned oats. They are much more nutrient-dense than the quick oats, and you know I love me some organic frozen blueberries, so I mixed this all together. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants, compounds that prevent stress and damage to your body's DNA. It actually may help you fight off chronic diseases like high blood pressure, heart disease, and diseases of the lungs, plus promotes healthy aging. And turmeric, of course, I love me some turmeric. The curcumin that's found in it can help your wounds heal by decreasing inflammation and oxidation. It also lowers the response of your body to certain wounds, and this results in your wounds healing more quickly. Studies have also found that turmeric can positively affect tissue and collagen as well. So it's just super powerful. Always couple it with black pepper so the black pepper can help to absorb the curcumin. So I just added all my beautiful ingredients together. This is very simple. I covered it up with a towel, let it sit for a little bit. Now, while that was sitting, I had one of my Rilari metabolism melts. This is a company that sent me these. I've had my second box now with them. It's a lifespan chocolate, all dairy free, superfood made with cacao, and it's got also vital amino acids. I have noticed a difference after taking these for a week straight. I've noticed a difference in my body's stress response as well as better sleep at night. So these are great. I actually have an affiliate link code if you want to try them out. I will link it below. Once I took the towel off of my oats, I added some almond milk. It was the plant milk I had on hand. Normally my first choice would be oat milk, but it was just to give it a little bit more creamier texture here. And here you have the most nourishing bowl of oats to nourish. This was to nourish my body back to its normal state. Also, putting your feet on the earth is nourishment. Also, the sun is nourishment. The next nourishing dish that I had was a curry and rice dish. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I'll make sure to link the recipe below. This is the rice brand that I love to use. It's by Lotus Foods. I use their organic brown rice. Rice is a rich source of carbohydrates, the body's main fuel source. Carbohydrates can keep you energized and satisfied and are important for fueling exercise. Brown rice especially is an excellent source of many nutrients, including fiber, manganese, selenium, magnesium, and B vitamins. It's a healthy starch, and you know I love my starch. I chose to use onion as well as a organic yellow bell pepper for this. Now, onion, it has several health benefits, mostly due to its high content of antioxidants and sulfur-containing compounds. They do have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory effects and have been linked to a reduced risk in cancer, lower blood sugar levels, and improved bone health. And you know I'm not going to use oil to saute a thing because I only water saute. Added the bell pepper along with the onion to a pan, water sauteed it in veggie broth. I made my own little curry paste out of tomato paste and curry powder. Got some chickpeas, rinsed those off, and I was continuing to saute my veggies here, and pretty soon I'm going to mix everything up and it's just going to be beautiful. Here's a can of coconut milk that we'll be adding into the curry mixture. It's got some nice healthy fats in it, and healthy fats of course are great for the brain and especially really good for women for hormonal reasons. I don't eat as much fat since I do follow the starch solution, but I do always still include it. I added my chickpeas to the curry mixture and mixed it all up. Again, I will link this recipe down below. Brought it to a boil, let it simmer a little bit more, and once it was done, or once it simmered a little bit more, we added some coconut flour to that. It was the most wholesome flour I had, actually the only flour that I have in my pantry right now. Put some rice in my bowl and then added the curry on top. I can't tell you how good, satisfying, creamy, and just nourishing this meal was. I'm so proud of it. Not only does curry reduce inflammation, it fights cancer, it combats Alzheimer's disease, boosts your bones, aids digestion, helps your heart, and it battles bacteria. Why would you not want to eat this? It's good and it's great for you. Then later on, I made a nourishing matcha latte. Matcha is an excellent ingredient for the skin. It's also high in antioxidants and it helps protect the liver and helps boost your brain function. I also mixed in some ashwagandha. That's my favorite adaptogen. Adaptogens are great for helping the body combat stress when taken on a regular basis. So mixed it all together in my blender with some plant milk, and it was just so lovely. And again, so nourishing, and here it is, beautiful. Lastly, I had some sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are the holy grail of foods for me. They're loaded with beta carotene, which functions as a potent antioxidant and a rich source of vitamin A. These nutrients are important for our immune systems, skin, vision, bones, and reproductive health. They're like everything you need, all in one form, made beautifully by nature. And of course, why wouldn't I eat my leftovers from earlier in the day, the beautiful curry and rice? If this isn't nourishment in its finest form, then I don't know what is. Drop a comment below. Let me know what your favorite nourishing foods are. And if you'd like to support my channel further, feel free to go to buymeacoffee.com/thebusyveganmom. I do upload new videos every Monday and Friday. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration.